Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will be teach you how you can install Nginx on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the most popular web servers. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Now let's get started. Now first, you can open your terminal. Now next you can open your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Now in browser you can search how to install Nginx on Ubuntu. Open a first link. In this website it will be teach you how you can install Nginx and how to configure Nginx. So in left side you can see the steps to install Nginx. So I'm click on install Nginx button. Now it will be guide you how you can install Nginx on Ubuntu. So it will be tell you to install Nginx, use following command. So first you can update your package list. So I'm going back to my terminal, and in terminal I can run the command sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now your package list is updated. Second, you can run the command sudo apt install nginx. So I'm go back to my terminal and run the command sudo apt install nginx. Now Nginx is installed. So next I can check the Nginx is running or not. So I can run the command sudo systemctl status nginx. So now you can see Nginx is active and running. So I can go back to my browser and search localhost colon 80, and now you can see Nginx is active and running in your browser. It is serve static website and it will be running on port 80. Now next you can stop the Nginx server. So you can go to the terminal and write the command sudo systemctl stop Nginx, and now you can go back to your browser and reload the page. So you can see this site can't be reached. Nginx is successfully stopped. This is for today's tutorial on how to install Nginx on Ubuntu, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.